Now, it's a spark of good as California enters wildfire season. An Amador County couple has raised nearly $200,000 for wildfire victims with their art. CBS 13's Molly Reel stopped by Three Fish Gallery in Amador City to hear the story behind the image.
This bear kind of reminds people of why they love to live here.
You may have seen the image, a bear hugging the Golden State with the caption, "I love you, California."
And I think that the image definitely brings out that emotion in people.
Artists Annie Galvin and Eric Rewitzer had been making the print for years, a nod to an image on sheet music from 1913.
I like to think that we brought it back to life and we gave people that have fondness and a love and a connection with California, we brought that back to life.
In 2017, during the North Bay fires, the image spread through social media.
It immediately struck a chord with people.
5 years and dozens of versions of the image later, the married couple have raised nearly $200,000 for fire relief efforts.
I still can't believe the numbers that high. Santa Rosa fires, the Mendocino fires, the Santa Barbara fires, the Caldor fires.
Funds going toward organizations from the Red Cross to food banks and wildlife rescues, even art programs affected by fires.
It just makes me feel like we're doing the right thing.
Doing what they love to help heal the place they love.
It's something that we like to have associated with the work that we do. We're proud we're able to do it, and we'll continue to do this going forward.
Now, Annie and Eric say they aren't waiting for the next wildfire to start raising money. They have a California wildfire relief collection with 100% of the proceeds supporting fire relief efforts across the state. Those prints are available on their website and at their gallery in Amador City.